Ready to ditch the awkward cash exchanges and unlock a smoother, safer way to buy and sell on Facebook Marketplace? Today, we're diving into how to use PayPal for Facebook Marketplace, making transactions a breeze for both buyers and sellers. First, let's make sure your accounts are linked. Open your Facebook app and tap the three horizontal lines in the bottom right corner. Scroll down and select Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. Now scroll down until you find Payment Settings and tap on it. Here, you'll see options to add payment methods. Tap on PayPal to link your account. Facebook will redirect you to PayPal to securely log in and grant permission. Once linked, let's see how it works when buying. When you find an item you want to purchase, contact the seller through Facebook Messenger. Agree on a price and shipping details, then ask the seller to send you a PayPal invoice. This adds a layer of protection. As a seller, after agreeing on the terms, create a PayPal invoice. Log into your PayPal account. Click Request Money. Enter the buyer's email address and the agreed upon amount, and describe the item. Then send the invoice through PayPal, not directly through Facebook Messenger, to keep everything secure. Buyers, once you receive the invoice, review it carefully. If everything looks correct, pay securely through PayPal. This gives you buyer protection in case something goes wrong. And that's it. Using PayPal on Facebook Marketplace adds convenience and peace of mind. Enjoy safer, smoother transactions. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips.